It's time to prepare your house for a spring listing. If you're thinking about selling your house this spring, now is the perfect time to get started to get it ready. With the market gearing up for its busiest time of the year, it's important to make sure that your house shines bright amongst all the competition. Here are just a couple of valuable tips you can use in order to get your house market ready. So declutter and organize. First impressions matter, and if your house is a mess, that can easily be a turnoff for potential buyers. Before listing, take the time to declutter and organize each room. Decluttering is more than just tidying up. It's about creating a sense and openness that allows potential buyers to envision themselves living in your home. According to moving.com, decluttering and organizing your space will go a long way in appealing to the potential buyers. Decluttering will help the buyers see themselves living in your home. Less clutter inside a home, it helps a place appear much larger and cleaner, which should attract more buyers. Now, the second tip is deep clean your kitchen and bathrooms. The kitchen and bathrooms are the focal point for many buyers. That often influences their overall opinion of the house. So ensure that these spaces dazzle them by giving them a thorough deep cleaning. Pay attention to details like scrubbing the grout lines, polishing the fixtures, and decluttering the countertop. A sparkling kitchen and bathroom can leave a lasting positive impression for any potential buyers. Maintain your yard. Your home's exterior is the first thing potential buyers see. So it's so important to make sure that you're giving off a good impression from the moment they arrive. A well-maintained yard not only enhances your curb appeal, but also shows buyers that the house has been well taken care of. Take the time to spruce up your yard by mowing the lawn, trimming some bushes, and clearing away the debris or dead plants. Remember, the goal is to create an inviting and welcoming environment that entices buyers to step inside and imagine themselves living there. So even the U.S. News says, a beautifully landscaped front yard can elevate an ordinary house into a charming home and will help homes sell faster for more money. Now, you really need to find a listing agent. Normally, that's me. A skilled listing agent is your partner in minimizing stress when it comes to selling your home. Lean on your agent for advice in decluttering, staging, and enhancing your home's curb appeal to potential buyers. Their insights and market trends and recommendations for reliable contractors and stagers, it's invaluable. And as Realtor.com says, a good listing agent will help you price your home. They'll recommend a photographer and a stager if we need to make it look its best and put your home on the MLS or the multiple listing service. The bottom line is, by decluttering, deep cleaning, and touching up your house, you can create a very welcoming environment that resonates with buyers, and it increases your chances of a successful sale. Let's connect on what you need to do to get your home ready to sell this spring.